Yo, what is up guys, this is Sammy Yang bringing you back with another video, and today's a bit of a different video because today I'm going to try to make some, like a little recipe, so it's going to be experimental since I haven't done it before, so let's see how it goes, and before I do that, I'm going to wash my hands, so I'll see you after that. Yo, what is up guys, I'm going to now show you what you need to make the almond butter covered banana. Like I said, I've never tried making it before, and it came up in my mind in a while, so yeah, let's see how it goes, like I said, and I'll show you all what you need. What you need is almond butter, obviously. Just in case the experiment fails, I'm going to use one banana just for a little experiment, as I said before. So guys, I just put in some almond butter, just hope that's enough. So I'm going to chop off a banana, so I'll be right back after that. So guys, I actually chopped off bananas like this, so I could actually make it easier. So I'll be right back after I try dipping in bananas with almond butter, like you would with chocolate covered strawberries, for example. So yeah, as I said, be right back after. Yo, what is up guys, I actually finished cutting them up, and whatever I saw that's not cut up, I just ate it because I didn't want to waste any more almond butter. But otherwise, I'm gonna pop these guys in the fridge, and I'll see you in the last part of the video. Yo, what is up guys, I actually set it up in this freezer because it has enough room, and also almond butter is like liquid, basically, like it's more liquidy than chocolate. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow or later tonight to like actually put them in the fridge, like regular fridge, room temperature. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to them later. So yeah, see you at the last point of the video. Yo, what is up guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, it's just an experimental recipe, so I don't know if it's gonna taste good or bad, but I'm actually gonna try it in tomorrow's vlog. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, like I said, and I'll see you all tomorrow. So peace.